Al jaren te gast in het programma. Het zijn zulke fantastische kerels. En ze jouwen de volkmachine hier loon absoluut weer een jongere touch. Hey guys, how you doing? The Kilkennys!
Good afternoon, Leeuwarden. Let's celebrate it. Let's celebrate the Frighting's faced together. Yeah.
Yo.
We are the Kilkennys all the way from Ireland. Put your hands together for Robbie Campion. Mick Martin. Yeah. Tommy Mackey. My name is Davy Cash and we're gonna rock Leeuwarden today. Kilkenny style, Irish style. Anybody here from Ireland? Give me a shout if you're not from Ireland. Where is this place we've come to? I don't know what to say. And we long to see each other now. Up here, we're frightened of that day. You met me in a barren place, and you walked me to the hill. We were so good for each other then, yeah. I know we could be still. You're gonna see those hands up in the air. You couldn't have come at a better time. You couldn't have come at a better time. You couldn't have come at a better time. Not if you tried. Oh no, not if you tried. Oh no. And we have 500 questions between you and me. You look into my eyes, my love. Tell me, what can you see? Is there something you're unsure of? Is there something to find? Or is it just another case of the right place or the wrong time? Let's dance! Yeah! You couldn't have come at a better time. You couldn't have come at a better time. You couldn't have come at a better time. Not if you tried. Oh no, not if you tried. Oh no, since we were first together by the lakeside sky so blue, we were so good for each other. And me and you and me and you and me and you and me and you. Yeah, you couldn't have come at a better time. You couldn't have come at a better time. You couldn't have come at a better time. Not if you tried. Oh no, not if you tried. Oh no, hands everybody, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ah, you couldn't have come at a better time. You couldn't have come at a better time. You couldn't have come at a better time. Not if you tried. Oh no, not if you tried. Oh no, not if you tried. Oh no, not if you tried. Yeah, thank you very much. Everybody having a good time? Everybody happy?
Yep.
Yeah, it's great to be here in the Netherlands, and we're happy to be here. We're going to be here until 4 o'clock in the morning. Partying Irish style. Put your hands together for Mick Martin on the Irish pipes, the Uilleann pipes. Yeah. Here's one called Follow Me Up to Carlow. Let's go. with McCabe rolled your face, your brooding whore, the old disgrace, and Black Petroleum stormed your place, drove you to the turn. Race of victory was sure. Soon the fireman he'd secure until he met a Glenmalure with Dave McHugh a burn. There's a Sir Lord Kildare, fecal new how fecal hair. Down to William, have a care. Fallen is your star low. Up with tabard, down with sword. On we go for by the Lord. Here McHugh has given the word. Follow me up to Carlow. Swords are kind of a mile of passion, although the English pale, all the children of the gale, leave the bottom crown. Rooster all a fighting stock, Trojan head, a Saxon cock, the world of 150 rock, play of the siege and manners. Goes to Sir Lord Kildare, speak the new of you from there. Now the William have a care of all the names of Sparrow. Up with tabard, down with sword, up we go for by the Lord. Here with you who's given the word, follow me up to Carlow. There flows a stream of Saxon corn, and brave as Rory Ogamore, and he's sending the loons to Hades. White is sick and grey is red, and now for Black Fitzwilliam's head, they're sending over to the red. Eliza and her late, hey! Here's the sailing on the day, people do her people there. Now Fitzwilliam have a care, the ball and leaves star low. Up the tabard, down the sword, running over by the Lord. Beard McHugh who's given the word, follow me up to Carlow. Beard McHugh who's given the word, follow me up to Carlow. Has anybody here ever been to Ireland? Anybody here ever been to Ireland? All right. We're gonna get all the singers now. Where's all the singers here tonight? Give me a shout, all the singers. This is a very easy song. It's called The Wild Rover, and everybody knows the chorus. The chorus goes like this. And it's no, nay, never.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Thanks.
It's not bad. It's okay. We try it again. It's no, nay, never. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, nay, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never. Let's go. I've been a wild rover for many's a year, and I've spent all my money on whiskey and beer, and now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. Let's go. No, nay, never, no more. When I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. I went into an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady my money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. Such a customer like yours I could have any day. And it's no, nay, never. Come on! No, nay, never, no more. When I play the wild rover, no, never, no more.
I pull out from me pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, we have received memories of the best. And the words that were spoken were only in jest.
And it's no, they never. Come on! No, they never, no more. When I pay the wild rover, no, never, no more. I'll go home to my parents, confess what I've done, and I'll ask them to pardon the prodigal son. Now when they forgive me like I've time before, I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, they never, yeah. No, they never, no more. When I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. One last time, and it's no, they never. No, they never, no more. When I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. Thank you very much, the Wild Rover. The best singers in all of the world are here tonight. So we're going to keep singing. Here's one called Dirty Old Town. I met my love by the gasworks wall. Dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. A dirty old town. Sing it on your own now. When I heard a siren come up on the docks, saw a train set the night afire. Felt the spring on the smoky wind. Let's sing it. Dirty old town. Now the clouds are drifting across the moon. The cats are prowling on the feet. Spring to come from the streets at night. Dirty old town. Here we go. Going to make a big sharp back, shining steel, tempered in the fire. I'm chopping it down like an old oak tree. Dirty old town. I met my love by the gasworks wall. Dreamed a dream. You're gonna sing now. Dreamed it by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, all together. dirty old town. So we got all the singers here now. We need to figure out where all the dancers are. Any dancers here? Any dancers in Holland? Oh! Okay, we're going to do the river dance right now, so we need 20 girls up along the front, please. Quick. And one brave man. And we're going to pick the winner of the best dancer here today before we go home. Now, we also have a prize for the worst dancer here. So be careful. There's something for everybody in the audience. We're going to do some traditional Irish music featuring Robbie on the banjo. The banjo. These are tunes from the west coast of Ireland. They're called the Tullareels. If you're having a good time, let's see those hands in the air. Let's go! Yeah! Come on, Friesland, let's do it! Yeah! Let's go. 1, 2, 3, jump! Is everybody having a good time? Yeah, we'll be picking the winner of the best dancer. Here's a piece of music all the way from Ireland. It's an instrumental on the low whistle. Look out for the seagulls for this one. It's called The Lonesome Boatman. I give up. We recorded a new album last year, and we were trying to figure out what songs to put on the album because we get so many requests from all the people that come to our shows all around the Netherlands, and it's great. And a very famous man who's been on the music scene for many, many years, many decades, is coming to Kilkenny, our city in Kilkenny where we're from, and his name is Bob Dylan. He's coming to see us this July, so we decided to record one of Bob's most famous songs. It's known the world over, and it's been a great folk song for many, many years, and we're going to get everybody here singing this afternoon. It's called Blowing in the Wind. How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? And how many seas must the white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? And how many times must the cannonball fly before they are forever banned? You're gonna sing. The answer, my friend, is blowing. The answer is blowing. Beautiful. Can a mountain exist before it is washed to the sea? And how many years can some people exist before they're allowed to be free? And how many times can a man turn his head and pretend that he just doesn't see? Okay, everybody, here we go! The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Let's hear that again. All together. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Times can the man look up before he sees the sky? And how many ears must one man have before he can hear people cry? And how many deaths will it take till he knows that too many people have died? Come on, everybody! The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. On your own. The answer, my friend, Blowing in the rain. Everybody having a good time? Are we all having a good time? We're from Ireland. This is like a summer's day for us. We brought the rain with us, don't worry. I wanna know, have you ever seen rain come down on a sunny day? Okay, we're gonna do this song that's called The Galway Girl. It's a #1 hit. I took a stroll on the old walk of a day. I met a little girl and I stopped to come to the plants of day. I ask you, friend, what the forward to? If I live back and her eyes are blue. Yeah, I knew right then I've been taking the word. And the sun will come with the Galway girl. Oh, yeah. We were halfway there when the rain came down on the day. As she asked me up to a black downtown with a fine soft day. So I took her hand and I gave it a twirl. And I lost my heart to a Galway girl. And I ask you, friend, tell me what would you do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? Okay, need those hands up, everybody. Hands up. Everybody, come on now. That's it. Yo. If you're having a good time, hands in the air now. Yeah. Come on, everybody. Yup. We need all those singers. Are you ready? I said, hey, oh. I said, hey, oh. I said, aggie, aggie, aggie. I said, aggie, aggie, aggie. I said, aggie, 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 aggie. Skilly idle idle dum. Skilly idle idle dum. Skilly idle idle dum. Skilly idle idle dum. Hop skilly rinky doot and that dilly and da. Hop skilly rinky doot and that dilly and da. Hop skilly and doot and da, skilly up and da, skilly right side, dilly that, dilly up and da. Now when I woke up, I was all alone. He had a broken heart and I took it home. And I asked you, friend, what's it gonna do if my hair was black and her eyes were blue? I've been traveling around in all over this world. Boys, I ain't never seen nothing like a Galway girl. Let's go now. Hey! Thank you very much to the Galway Girl. Yeah, #1 hit in Ireland. Having a good time? The rain's not going to stop us. Here's a song for anybody who's ever been to Dublin. Hey,
Come on.
in the merry month of June, from me home I started, left the girls a tune, and nearly broken hearts saluted father dear. Kissed me darling mother, drank a pint of beer, grief and tears so smothered, and off the reap the corn, leave where I was born, cut a stamp for corn I punished, ghosts and goblins a brand new pair of brogues, rattling all the bogs, frightening all the dogs, on the rocky road to Dublin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hill and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Allira.
In Mullingar that night he rested limbs so weary, started by the light, my spirits bright, and here he took a drop of the pure, keep me heart and sinking, that's the paddy score. Ever he's on for drinking, to see the lassie smile, laughing all the while, at me curious style, sent her out to Dublin, asked if I was hired, wages I required, I was severely tired, on the rocky road to Dublin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hill and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Allira.
In Dublin next to Ray they thought it such a pity that these is soon to pray a view of that fine city, and then they took a stroll all along the quality bundle it was told in the neat locality, so the grassy line, when I looked behind upon the god I find upon these two go on and inquired for the road, semi-common road, wasn't much involved on the rocky road to Dublin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hill and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Allira.
From there I got away, me spirits never fading, landed on the quay. As the ship was sailing, the captain at me, oh, check the door and Paddy when they jumped on board. Cabin bound for Paddy and down along the bigs, played some bonny rigs, and some marty chicks, the water round me, bubbling up in Ollie head. Wish myself were dead, up at that bad instead, on the rocky road to Dublin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hill and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Allira.
The boys at Liverpool, when we safely landed, called myself a fool. I could no longer stand it, but began to boil. Temper I was losing, poor old Aaron's Isle. They began abusing, hurrah! Me sons of Irish and Lily and a fly, called me lies from night. Song was a hobble and riddle out, hooray! Joined in the affray, we quickly cleared the way for the rocky road to Dublin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hill and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Allira. The hill and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Allira.
Whack for Allira, go!
Okay, everybody, you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, yeah! Come on!
Okay, hands in the air. Are you ready? Let's go. Freeze that. Hope you're ready. We're going fast. Hands up. A 1, 2, 3, go. We're going to sing a song that you might know. Put your hands together for Tommy Mackey, everybody, from Kilkenny. Here's a song that was a big hit in Ireland, and it was a big hit here also. We need everybody singing this time. We know the best singers in the world are here tonight, and they're not on the stage.
Come from the farms and the factories too, and they all soon forget who they are. Cares of today are soon washed away as they sit on a stool by the bar. The girl with green eyes in the Rolling Stone shirt doesn't look like she works on the land. And the man at the end, he's a very good friend of a man who sells cars second hand. Everybody! Down at the Red Rose Cafe in the harbour, lovely. There by the port just outside Amsterdam. Everyone shares in the songs and the laughter. Everyone there is so happy to be there. The salesman relax with a few pints of beer as they try not to speak about trade. The poet's want to write any verses tonight, but he might sing a sweet serenade. So pull up a chair and forget about life. It's a good thing to do now and then. And if you like it here, I have an idea. Tomorrow, let's all meet again. Everybody! Down at the Red Rose Cafe in the harbour. Yes! There by the port just outside Amsterdam. Everyone shares in the songs and the laughter. Everyone there is so happy to be there. Everybody! Down in the Kleiner Cafe, and they have a bellissimo. Enter free. Down in the Kleiner Cafe, and they have one more time. Down at the Red Rose Cafe in the harbour. There by the port just outside Amsterdam. Everyone shares in the songs and the laughter. Everyone there is so happy to be there. Yes, everyone there is so happy to be there. Hey! Father Abraham.
That's Tommy Mackey, everybody, and the sun is back. Round of applause for the sun. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure and an honor to be standing on this stage at such a wonderful festival here in a beautiful city in your beautiful country. It's an honor for us to be standing here, and it's been going 30 years almost, and thank you very much for having the Kilkennys. Put your hands together for Robbie Campion, for Michael Martin. It's Tommy Mackey.
My name is Davy Cash, and thanks for having us. And we'll see you again here in Holland very, very soon. Have we time for one more? Okay, we need everybody on their feet. You're on your feet? Everybody stand up, everybody jumping mad. This is the last song, your last chance to dance. This song is from the south of Ireland and it's called Some Say the Devil is Dead. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. We'll be the pigs and let the cow, let the cow, let the cow. Be the pigs and let the cow early in the morning. Cock your leg a paddy dear, paddy dear, I'm over here. Cock your leg a paddy dear, receive the stocky on. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. The Irish, she has the hairy thing, the hairy thing, the hairy thing. The Irish, she has the hairy thing. She saw it to me on Sunday, bought it in the furrier shop, bought it in Shamburn shop. She bought it in the furrier shop. It's going back in Monday. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead and buried in Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again and joined the British Army. Okay, everybody, here we go. Last time, come on, hands. Ha, 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 ha. Woo! Yeah, man. Here we go, Jamaica.
That's it from the Kilkennys. Good night. Have we time for one more? Time for one more? All right. We just have enough time for one more and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Yeah.
Let's go crazy one last time.
Well, I came home like a stone, and I fell heavy into your arms. These days of dust, which you have known, would blow away with this new song. Let's sing it if you know it now.
I kneel down, wait for now. I kneel down, oh my I will wait for you. Come on, everybody, sing it. Here we go. I will wait for you. Yeah!
So break my step and be led. Will you forget? I won't forget. I know I'll be seen and be led. No, it's always shake the excess. Like a stone, and I fell heavy into your arms. On these days of dust, which we don't know, will blow away with this new song. Last chance to sing. Wait for now. I kneel down, don't mind cry. Oh, come on, buddy. Jump. I will wait for you. Come on, everybody, let's see those hands in the air. I will wait for you. You're gonna sing it on your own. You ready? 2, 3, say. Can't hear you. All together. Come on. I will wait for you. Oh, yeah. Go. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. That's it from the Kilkennys. Good night.
Give it up for the Kilkennys!